Greetings! Excited today to announce AgriSync VoiceHub, the first mobile call center built for field agriculture. Now with AgriSync VoiceHub, your call center is mobile, with the ability for a farmer to simultaneously ring your mobile team of experts. And instead of them loading up your personal voicemail, we create a shared digital ticket in AgriSync. And when you pick up and answer that phone or call the farmer back, we track your phone time and make that part of your broader service plan. And the best part with AgriSync VoiceHub, there's no hardware or IT help needed, and it's easy to get started. Let's show you how. Managers, as you know, on your Manage tab, you can create these pooled teams of experts in AgriSync. The ability to provide a pooled team of experts allows you to spread the workload and provide a faster response to your farmers. And now we can also make this pooled team of experts available via VoiceHub, simply by clicking the Enable VoiceHub and checking the I accept box. And when you do that, we provision a local hotline number that you can provide directly to your farmer customers, or they can be redirected from your main 1-800 number. And when a customer calls that 1-800 number, we're going to simultaneously ring your team of experts.
Thanks for calling Acme. Please stand by for an expert advisor.
Increasing the odds of connecting to a live person because we now ring the entire team at once. But the magic with AgriSync actually happens if you don't pick up the phone.
We know your time is valuable and that you don't like to be on hold. Please leave a brief description of your issue to share with our team. One of our live experts will call you shortly.
Yeah, I'm having trouble with my new display. I wanted to see if somebody could call me back and step me through it.
Now that farmer receives a text confirmation that you've created a ticket, and we've submitted a text alert to your team noting that there's a new unassigned ticket. Mike decides to listen to that message through his AgriSync app, not his personal voicemail, and decides to call the customer back and hopefully provide a great customer service experience. Again, increasing the responsiveness of your team and allowing them to be mobile and not be tied to a call center. Keep in mind that voice ticket's also available on the web at agrisync.com.
Yeah, I'm having trouble with one of my monitors.
And for the first time, we automatically track your phone time in AgriSync. We're excited today to announce some new enhancements to AgriSync VoiceHub, specifically the ability for you to do a custom greeting, to set up a ring schedule, and to bulk share this number. Let's actually start with the custom greeting. If we click on a custom greeting, you'll notice that we provide you with 3 places to record your voice instead of ours. By default, AgriSync will provide you with greetings for all of these sections. But if you want to use your voice instead of ours, simply come in here to the welcome greeting. We'll even give you some suggested words as to what to say. Obviously put your name in as opposed to Acme. And you can come in and simply record a new greeting. The next thing that we've added is this ability to have a custom ring schedule. Many of you have suggested to us that you would like to ring certain people during certain times of the day, but also not have your phone ring 24/7. So now you've got this ability to come in and add in a group of advisors that their phone will ring during business hours. And again, you can edit these business hours. You can also set a ring schedule for whose phone will ring in the evenings, as well as your Saturday and Sunday schedules. By default, if you do not have a ring schedule on, we ring all of your advisors all of the time. So if you'd like to come in and set up business hours or a weekend schedule, the nice part is it's easy to come in and make changes. You simply flip on and then select the advisors whose phones you want to ring. Once you've set those schedules, be sure to click Update. The last thing we want to share with you is the new ability to quickly share out your VoiceHub number. Again, AgriSync VoiceHub has been very popular, and many of you have said, I want to find an easy way to share this new hotline number out directly with my customers. Now you can click on Share Number, and when you do, we'll give you a little preview text. And what we're going to do is allow you to bulk upload your farmer customers, and they're each going to receive a text with your company name telling them that you've got a new hotline for, in this case, the Precision team. or whatever the team name is that you've given it. We'll share with them what that number is, and then also provide them with a contact card that they can save to their phone number. So again, a very easy way to get the word out to all of your farmer customers. Simply download the Excel template and then upload that file with the names and cell phone numbers of your customers. And when you click submit, we'll text alert all of them at once. So if you've got 100 customers that you want to do a bulk or a bulk share of your number to, go ahead and do that right here. And then they'll all have your new hotline number. If you have questions about AgriSync VoiceHub, definitely visit us out on the web or reach out to us at help@agrisync.com.